Just 12 tenses can change your English. Let's learn them in minutes. First, present tenses. Simple present, I eat an apple. We use it for regular actions. Present continuous, I am eating an apple. We use it for actions happening now. Present perfect, I have eaten an apple. We use it for completed actions. Present perfect continuous, I have been eating an apple for 2 hours. We use for 2 hours because perfect continuous tells us how long the action has continued. Now, past tenses. Simple past, I ate an apple. We use it for actions that already happened. Past continuous, I was eating an apple. We use it for actions happening in the past. Past perfect, I had eaten an apple. We use it for actions completed before another action. Past perfect continuous, I had been eating an apple for 2 hours. We use for 2 hours because perfect continuous tenses show the duration of an action. Now, future tenses. Simple future, I will eat an apple. We use it for future actions. Future continuous, I will be eating an apple. We use it for actions that will be happening in the future. Future perfect, I will have eaten an apple. We use it for actions that will be completed. Future perfect continuous, I will have been eating an apple for 2 hours. Again, for 2 hours shows how long the action continues. Now you know all 12 tenses. Which one was easiest? Comment below.